Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube family and welcome to our channel. And I'm Mohammad Tariq Hassan, and today I'm just making this video very just like as the casual. So it's a very amazing day today again in Sydney, very sunny and bright day, and I'm just taking you to little walk along the river. So I'm going to show you around. Okay, look at that. This little walk along the river. So there's a walkway along the river here. And in this river, the people can catch fishes sometime as well. And this little walk with the river, fence is there for the safety, especially for the kids when they walk on the walkway, so it's safe even for the kids. And look at that, there's another walkway on downstairs. Look at that, you can see how amazing day today. Weather is really moderate, not very cold, not very hot. As I told you guys earlier, in Sydney we having summer season at the moment. Alright, so that's a little walk here. And you can see that's some residential and commercial buildings, offices, you know, in that area. One is Meriton apartment, high-rise building. And as you can see that, the guy catching fishes. So lots of bream on this river, and the good season for fishing in this river from February to May, because in this river the big fish is coming from the harbor, you know. But the one thing which is not good, because you're not allowed fish more than half a kilo a month, which is nothing, like 500 gram, because of the toxic water, you know. So they put the notice here, you're not allowed more than 500 gram a month. So that's a little bit, it's not a good thing. We can see that. Oh, gorgeous, this scenery. And the guy catching fish, and you can see that the whole view of the park. And I show you one more thing, is one heritage walk, you know. It's called Harris Park Heritage Walk. You can see that, you know. I'm planning to shoot the video and we'll take you to Harris Park Heritage Walk. So through this walk you can see different heritage building, so all the information here you can see that for over 40,000 years the area has been occupied by Aboriginal people. So Aboriginal people we call the native Australian. So they have very rich culture. So my next video, not next video, maybe next few months, I will show you around this heritage walk. So that's information about the Harris Park Heritage Walk. So this walkway along the park and along between the heritage building, even you can see that building, that's also, it's kind of it's a part of heritage walk and heritage building. And you can see that blue fence, they put it the blue fence, they're putting the light rail in this area. And this is the Parramatta area in Sydney, the local suburb. And we can ask this guy about the fish. Let's see what are you gonna say. Hello sir, how are you?
Hello.
Good. How about the fish? Did you catch the fish? Yeah. I just show the video. If you catch the fish, you know how long you waiting for the fish? You don't? Huh? No English, yeah?
English 不会说。
Yeah, like 20 minutes or 30 minutes, half an hour. Okay. Good luck. When you catch the fish, good luck, huh? Okay, so this guy actually can't speak English, but I got the idea. I've been waiting a little bit longer, a long time, but he haven't got any fish. So look at it around on my background. Look at that. And that's the thing. That's the gorgeous walk. I'll show you. And that's the bushes grown up. So this good for the land sliding. So because of the good weather, the people cycling, and walking, jogging, so enjoying the weather. People already too much isolated during the pandemic. Okay, so viewers, so that's our little walk. I just showed you around. So I think that's enough for now, and I will come up again with new video, maybe some food recipe or food reviews. So till then, goodbye.